As y'all could see, I already started it. Pretty much to take this off, there's a little hole on each side. What I used a little screwdriver, a Phillips head, and I stuck it in there. There's like little bars in there or something you gotta push, and as you could see the screwdriver. You push these and they release. I believe it's here. They release, and there's another one over here, and you gotta, kind of poke them little by little, and they'll get out eventually. You just gotta pull this forward, pull this piece forward. And as for the tabs, I'm still working on that one that's connected, but that one's easy. All you gotta do is push this. It's connected like that, and you just push this up and you pull it, and it takes off. As for the red one, what I did, I just lifted this tab like that a little, and it slid off real quick. Let me get that one out, and I'll let y'all know how I got it. Turns out you don't remove them from here, you remove them from the back piece of this. These, all you gotta do, look, check it out. They're connected here in the back. All you gotta do is pull these two little orange tabs on the sides, pull them both upwards at the same time, and they just pop right off. Remember to not cross them over or whatever. The orange one goes on towards the passenger side, and the purple one goes to the driver's side, basically. On this, it's gonna be a T50 Torx bit. I marked it down with a Sharpie so I can know if I'll put it on right or not. But yeah, let me go get to this plastic trim around the steering wheel. All you gotta do is pull these forward a little towards you, and it pops right up like that. And you'll need a 7mm socket for those two, and it should lower the bottom piece of the plastic. I figured out there's a bottom bolt also to the piece, so it could lower down. This piece was in the back attached over here. In the back piece, all you gotta do is, since you're not gonna use this, you just pull these tabs backwards all around and just pull this out, and it should come off. Also, this it had like a little, that clip right there. You just gotta push it down and it comes off. I'm just working on this one now. On this piece, all you gotta do is this red piece, you gotta pull it back, pull that piece back, and this clip, you could compress it downwards and it'll come out. You just got to pull that, guys. So we got the new clock spring, and I'm also going to replace the steering angle sensor. It goes behind this, goes over here behind it. Right now I'll show you a little how it goes or whatever. I'm going to replace it. I mean, I don't know if I needed it or not, but I wanted to replace it to make sure everything works properly. The part number for the angle sensor, steering angle sensor or whatever, it's 135-89-99-1. So in case y'all need it, I bought it straight from GM, from the Chevy, and this one I bought it from GM Parts Direct. I'm not sure about the part number for it, but it's just you just Google clock spring or whatever, and what else? Well, yeah, let me get to work. Let's see if everything works properly. So I got it in. This is how it goes. Let me install it now and see if it works. I just noticed that the clock spring has like a little window to it right here. I don't know if this indicates if it's broken or not. You see, the new one has like a yellow tab inside, and this one, the broken one, didn't. You couldn't see it. So I don't know if that's an indication or what, but just letting y'all guys know. And that's it, guys. From step one all the way to the finish, just reverse your steps and you'll get it on there. The middle piece, all you got to do is snap it in place. Once you just press it in and it locks in place again. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Later.